And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What you running here, man? This is our 4DXF by Skar on a Surge 10K. Get down. Yes, sir. What kind of amp you say you got on those? Surge 10K. 10K, okay. Big amp, okay. Yeah, man. You on social media anywhere they can follow you? Banging Box Designs on TikTok. Okay. I can hear a tag, man. Appreciate it, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.